Alright, y'all, this was the original 68 that I bought to try to cruise around in and build a truck that was like the 68 that my dad had when I was a kid. And I have robbed it for parts because it didn't have the engine was locked up and it didn't have any brakes, and so I couldn't do much with it. I did take the engine out, still got the hood sitting back here full of leaves, got plants growing up in it. It's looking pretty rough. But a lot of people on YouTube have revived vehicles in a worse state, and a lot of them say that the first thing that helps them get motivated with them is to put wheels on. So hopefully I'm gonna get some wheels on it and start seeing what all it's gonna take to get it cleaned up. We'll get back with y'all in a little bit. All right, we back with y'all for a minute. We got some wheels put on it. It is officially a roller.
Mom is gonna see you putting that on YouTube.
I know, right? It is officially a roller. We got all 4 wheels on. We're gonna try to roll it over here and get it cleaned up. We'll be back with y'all. We've been working on this all afternoon, trying to get it cleaned up. I think it turned out pretty good. My kids worked hard. We got the glass clean. It's clear as a bell. Cleaned out all the leaves and stuff and got all the green stuff off of it, that algae looking stuff. Sprayed out from under the hood a little bit, even though there ain't no hood. The engine bay. Got some of the leaves and debris out of there. See the windshield's clear as a bell. Still got to put my headlight bezels on, do some front end work on it, put an engine in there. Got that wheel on. I had robbed that brake hub from my other truck. Brake drum, I'm sorry. And put it on my other truck. So I needed one for there. Hadn't quite finished right here on this back side, but you can see this is the stuff that it was covered in. And if you rub it hard enough, it'll come off of there. There's my son still scrubbing on it. Wheels on there. It's a roller now. It don't have brakes right now, and it don't have an engine. Got all the leaves out of the bed, got all the plants out of the hood, got it cleaned up. I believe we might be ready to start working on it. This is a pile of debris that was piled up in the back of it. Y'all check out my other videos. Like, comment, subscribe, share, tell some folks about it. We're gonna try to put an engine in this thing, and then who knows what we're gonna do with it after that. Y'all follow along with us.